Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Bolt LT. Very nice vehicle. Cajun red tint coat over dark galvanized / sky cool gray. Take a quick look at the interior in a minute. Total price for the sticker price, including destination, is $40,185. That does not include any applicable discounts or anything like that. I'm always a fan of red on blue, so the blue Bolt EV accents look absolutely fantastic. Plenty of room out back. Of course, this is a front-wheel drive EV. So you don't need any exhaust, any drivetrain, any fuel tank. The batteries are all located under the seating area, which allows for a nice deep trunk. Again, nice two-tone interior. I will go ahead, pop the hood. Though there's probably not a lot to see in there, it still would be pretty cool to check out. And there you go. Tons of orange wiring, stuff like that. You still have your 12-volt battery. But very cool. Yeah. Hood's extremely light too. I mean, it's a tiny hood. See, this isn't a grill at all. This is all kind of blanked out. And you do have cooling down on the lower part of the bottom grill. Charging port. Go ahead, plug it in right there. And then that, I believe, is your quick charger. Hop inside. Plenty of rear seat room sitting behind myself. All right. Plenty of storage. Pretty cool. Overall, very nice. Easy to use infotainment system. I haven't driven a Volt, but I would assume it uses the same system. You have your sport mode, which I have on, traction control off, which I leave the traction control on. Especially, this is going to be a different route. I have one area where I can test acceleration, and then it's going to be a lot of around parking lot stuff, just so you can get a feel of what it's like on a normal road, and then in parking lots and such, where it can test the visibility. Electronic parking brake. Without further ado, to use the shifter to put it in reverse, up and over, drive straight down. But let's go for a drive of this Bolt. You do have a paddle behind the steering wheel, which I just pulled there to use regen braking. You can tell it's very, very quiet. That's the perk of an EV. You It's just extremely quiet all the time. And the Bolt is really, honestly, a fun to drive vehicle. It's just absolutely a blast. Good amount of power here too. That regen paddle is absolutely awesome. So if you ever want additional regen, just pull the paddle and it's there. Likewise, you can also put it into low mode, and that does it automatically. You can see there is one of our other Bolts we have for sale, and I think we have like 7 incoming. So we got a good amount of Bolts coming in. There, I put it into low mode for it to automatically do the regen. Which I'm personally a huge fan of that. And you can really use the one pedal driving aspect of the Bolt. Honestly, it's really, really nice over those bumps. I have no complaints with it at all. Oh, that's fun. All in all, though, the Bolt is just an absolute joy to drive. It does look really, really good, especially in this red. I've seen like a gray, light gray, that looks absolutely beautiful. We have a light blue coming in, that's awesome. I'm a big fan of the Bolt. Especially, I've been lucky enough to drive a few of them now. I've driven some on some longer distances. And it's just an absolute joy to drive. Extremely easy to drive around town. Visibility is great. Everything slopes down in front of you. So even on this pretty difficult to see hill, I can see perfectly fine. I don't know if I'll be able to drive up that hill in the snow in some of these cars, but we'll find out together. Put in park. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.